Hi everyone, my name's Dana and joining me today is Lance. Both of us are nursing tutors and we just want to show you guys how to create an account on our tutoring portal so that you can go ahead and schedule appointments and how to navigate the appointment scheduling site. So Lance and I, we both tutor nursing. I also tutor math, and this process of like making an account and scheduling appointments, it works for any course for any tutor. So just be aware that this is not only applicable to nursing, but all of the other courses that the Tutoring Center offers. So let me actually go back really quick. I was just exploring the tutoring page, but if you do want to get to the tutoring page, which we highly recommend, is to just punch in CSUSB tutoring into your web browser and go ahead and click on your first option. And this is just the tutoring website that gives you basic information about everything. And there's a little note, of course, that says the tutoring schedules at the bottom. You go ahead and click on that and see what kind of courses are being offered for the semester that you're in. So since Lance and I are both nursing, we can click nursing and we can see both Lance's schedule and my schedule, and also the course numbers that we offer. So going all the way back up to the top, you see all these step 1, step 2, step 3, and basically this is showing like a written version of what Lance and I are going to be doing. So first, you're going to register for an account. So we're going to go click on that hyperlink, takes us to the tutoring portal. I have an account, but let's say you're kind of logging in for the first time. So you want to register for an account. Go ahead and use your email address and please use your school email. You'll see why later on. Just punch in all the necessary information, your standing, just put your year. I know there's some differences between like academic standing versus how many years you've been. Just put in your year. Don't worry too much about it. Graduation year, pretty simple. If you're not really sure, you could even say NA if you're not sure. Major, student ID, and go ahead, set up your password. I'm not really doing it just because, again, I already have an account. You can set email preferences as well. So if you want to know when emails are made, modify, cancel, if you want other mass emailing mentions, I don't really have any of those, so I'm not sure what that one is, but at least this first one I would recommend, just so you have that reminder. You can also have it remind you of upcoming appointments, so that'll be really important if you're someone who tends to forget, and I'm someone who tends to forget, so don't worry about it. And any iCal links with confirmation messages, up to you whether or not you want that. You can also have it text you if that is something you would like. When you go ahead and click complete registration, you're going to be prompted to verify your email with your school email. So be sure to log into your school email, go ahead and get that verified so that your account is up and running and ready to work. So once you do have your account, you go ahead and just log in. For available schedules, right now, at the time of this recording, we are only offering online tutoring, but if you are interested in in-person tutoring, there'll be another like check button right below, and you can just click on that one instead for in-person tutoring. If you want to stay logged in so you don't have to punch in your stuff, you can go ahead and click that. If not, no big deal. So now that we are logged in, basically this is the appointment schedule. This is what I see on my end. You guys might have a little different type of view, but for the most part, anything in green, tutors are not working at that time. Anything in white is what is available to be booked. Anything in yellow, I forget what it is on your guys' end, but that might be another person's appointment. So usually you can't book at that same time. Your appointment slot should show up in a different color than other people's, and you'll be able to see that when that happens. Two important things. We're going to look at the limit 2 and the next week features. So limit 2, again, because we are both for nursing. Let's say you want help in this course, Nurse 3221, which is Med Surg. You can limit it to these features, and you can see that both Lance and I are now the only tutors that show up on the schedule. So that means both of us can tutor for that course. Similarly, maybe you need help for a different class. Maybe you need help for Math 1401. And now you can see all the tutors who do tutor 1401. So there's your limit 2 feature. The other thing is, let's say you want to book in advance and you don't see any of us on this 1 week schedule. That's okay. Go ahead and just click next week, and you can see all the schedules for next week and go ahead and book for that. Just be sure when you do this that you do intend to come to the appointment, just so we have enough appointment slots for everyone. So, and now Lance is going to show you guys how to make an appointment.
Hi guys, it's me, it's Lance. I'm going to show you how to start scheduling an appointment. So here, let me share my screen. Okay, so what you should see is this screen right here. There's a bunch of tutors, but if you want to schedule specifically for nursing, what you want to do is find this right here, limit 2. And if you are a second semester student who needed help with, let's say, pharmacology, you would click on nurse 3082. And after doing that, it should just filter the tutor options to me and Dana. So what you're gonna do from here, let's say if I was a student and I wanted to book with Dana, I would just click any of these white slots because those are the ones available. So let's say I wanted to make an appointment later on today at 1 p.m. I would click right here, and just know that each slot is for 30 minutes. And you can book up to an hour. So I could do 1 to 2. And from here, just type in the course number, nurse 3082, type in the instructor, which is Cheryl Brandt, and then the particular topic you wanted to work on today. So if I wanted to review antihypertensives with Dana, I would just maybe just put blood pressure drugs. And from there, you just click create your appointment. So now when your appointment is about to start, you just log back on, you click the slot that you booked, and then you should be able to see this Zoom link right here. And this is the Zoom link that you're going to use to access and access your tutoring appointment. And if you need any help, or if you have any questions prior to your tutoring appointment, the tutor's email should be right here. And that is pretty much the basics of how to book a tutoring appointment. So thank you so much.